In this video, I'll be teaching you how you can transfer files from Android to Mac. Coming up. Hey, this is Lukman from LqmTech, bringing you the latest tech tutorials and updates just like this one. So if you're new to this channel, do consider subscribing. So you might come across this problem where you want to transfer files from Android to Mac, but when connecting them with a USB, your laptop doesn't detect your device, unless of course if you're using an iPhone. So to fix this problem, you must use an app on macOS called Android File Transfer, which I will link down in the description. So you can go ahead and just click on download now. It supports macOS 10.7 and higher. So once that is downloaded, you can just go ahead and click on the .dmg file and it will open up this file. Just drag the application into the applications folder. So once that is copied, you can just go ahead and close this and run the app. So once that is installed, you can go ahead and connect your device and set the connection type to transfer files, and the application should detect your device. So guys, that is all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do hit that like button if you find this video very helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you won't miss out on any future videos and tutorials just like this one. Thank you for watching.